Okay, this is the GLM Blue Editing Book Practice 11 on page 63. So I'm going to go through how is it that you can do an editing practice. First of all, you have to know what is the tense, the dominant tense in this text. As you can see from the first line, okay, a father had one son and one daughter. You know that the tense is simple past tense because of the word had. Okay. The son was very handsome while the daughter is extraordinarily ugly. Okay, so the error is because it's in present tense. So this is a tense error. So the correct tense should be was because this happened in the past. Okay, we just write the answer. So the first answer, as you can see, should be was, and this is a tense mistake. Okay, let's continue. As they grew up, they became more aware of their look from the mirrors placed around the house as well as the looks that people give them. In this context, looks refer to their appearance. Okay, and the synonym for appearance is look. There tells you that it's in plural form, therefore it should be looks. Right. So this should be in plural form. Small letter, looks. The boy grew proud of his good looks and would often boast of. Okay, looking at the third line, you will notice that give is a present tense. So because this part of the story tells of events that have happened, it should be a past tense of the verb give. So it should be gave. G-A-V-E, gave. Okay. Looking at the fourth line, numerous glance that he received. The girl grew angry and found her brother's self-praises unbearable. Numerous. Numerous is a clue word. Okay, numerous is a clue word. And you can see that since numerous means several, some, glance should be glances. So that should be plural form, glances. Right? Glances. So again, this should be plural form. Okay, it should be small g, not a proper noun, because a common is a common noun, glances. Her simmer anger soon grew into jealousy. Her festering jealousy soon became hatred, which can only be quenched with spite. Okay, let's go back to the fifth line first. Simmer. Simmer means grow. And in this context, it should be the adjective form of the word simmer. Therefore, it should be what form? Think. As you can see here, festering, ing. So, if you look at it in the parallel structure, it would be simmering. It should be simmering. Okay, and this simmering is an adjective form. Again, should be in small s, simmering. So, simmering anger describes the degree of the person's anger. Looking at line 6, you notice the word can. It should be what tense? It should be in simple past tense. So the simple past tense of can is could. You're right. Could. Right. could. It's a tense mistake. Small c. So let me put that on line 5. Good. Okay. Quenched in this context means ended. Okay. When a chance presented itself, that means an opportunity arose, past tense of arise arose. She went to her father, spitefully accused her brother of things that he did not do. Accuse is the mistake because this part of the story tells of events that have happened, so it should be accused with a D. Small a again. Tense mistake. See this. The father embraced them both, showering his kisses and affection impartially at both. So here we are looking at an action that is in progress. So when there's action that is in progress, it should be what kind of tense? It should be in continuous tense. So continuous tense would be see ing, ing. Okay, this should be in continuous tense. Continuous tense. So line 9, you can see that partially, is it at both? Although both at and on are preposition, which one is more suitable? Think about it. Usually we say affection is showered on the baby. So The most suitable preposition here should be on. And the last one, line 10. I wish both of you would look in the mirror every day, my son, so that you'll be mindful that your conduct does not spoil your looks, my daughter, so that your virtues make up for your looks. So, conduct means behavior. So, this noun, is it countable or uncountable? Conduct. Behavior, is it countable or uncountable? It should be uncountable. So, as an uncountable noun, does it have a plural form? No, it does not have a plural form. So it should be conduct without the S. Sorry, let me move that now. Okay. I hope that you understand this editing practice that I've just gone through. Edit some of the additional words here that might be unfamiliar to you includes festering, which means decomposing or rotting, or becoming painful and infected. And in this case, jealousy becomes worse as time passes. Conducts can be a verb form. When it's verb form, it means plan to do something or direct to do something. Okay, that ends this editing practice. Thank you.